Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fold your Motus Scooty Lite 10. So in order to do that, we'll need to locate this. It's right under our handles. And first of all, we'll need to push this to the right, like that, so it's now unlocked. Now, simply push this mechanism towards you, but be careful on the handle, because it can fall down on your head, and it might be not very good to happen. So right now it's folded. We can now move our handle and just simply pull it like that. So now, in order to lock it, so we can actually carry it, we'll need to locate two things. This is the first one, right here, and this is the second one, this thing on our wheel. Now simply push these two together until they click, like that. And now we can lift our Scooty and it should just work normally. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.